Hello Mom and Dad Meet World viewers. So today we are going to be doing a little bit something different. We're going to be doing an actual first impressions video and an unboxing because I like to use gimbals typically when we go out to different locations, and I think just gimbals are very helpful to keep your footage as stable as possible. I'm very new to the gimbal world, but I have used quite a few of them. But today we are going to be reviewing this guy right here. Yeah, RS3 Mini, should I say. So I've used quite a few gimbals. I'm currently using now, which we're actually gonna take a look at how it compares to this particular one. This is the Zhiyun Crane 2. And the Zhiyun Crane 2, it is quite a big gimbal right here. It does take up quite a bit of room. And the thing with the Zhiyun Crane 2, probably the most annoying part about it is this thing right here. It does flop around quite a bit. I do have a microphone attached to it, which we can just pull off right here. And this is what you see. But this is what I've got attached to it. An Andy Cine ATM-S mounted to this. That way I could use an Arca Swiss mount. Put the camera right in here. But we'll talk about this later and how they compare. But right now, we want to talk about this guy right here. And just first impressions is it's very light, it's very small. So this gimbal actually reminds me a lot of this gimbal right here. And if you take a look at the size of these, they are very similar in size. And this one is the M2, and this is the DJI RS3 Mini right here. So again, really similar in size, but the RS3 Mini has a bigger payload. So this right here, you can see right here, I've just got an attachment here for a phone. So one thing to note right off the bat, if you have an RS3 or an RS3 Pro, those, when you turn them on and off, they'll go into an auto lock. This does not have that. You will still have to, let's do this right now, manually lock, and manually lock. That way it's not going to go anywhere. At least it is better than this guy that does not manually lock at all. My primary camera, which I'm filming on right now, is a Sony a7 IV, and with that I typically just press the button to get it to start recording. But with this, I know that you can use the Bluetooth feature where you don't have to hook up a cable. With this current model right here, I don't even have the option to plug in the cable because it's not compatible with the camera. I have used a DJI RSC2 with the cable, and it was actually really finicky, so we're gonna hope that the Bluetooth does work much better on this. But one of the main reasons why I actually haven't put the camera on here yet is because of this mount right here. So this is not a standard Arca Swiss mount. I can't change out the base plate because this base plate is actually a lot smaller. So let me take it off right here. So undo this guy, push the button, comes off right here. So this is the base plate. So with this Andy Cine, and I know you can get another brand too. This is standard, so this will fit on the RS3, the RS3 Pro, the RSC2. Fit quite a few, and this is actually on this Crane 2, and will fit the Crane 3 also. So this is this Andy Cine, but it will not fit on here because it's wider than this guy. So I have to use a proprietary base plate and the proprietary mount here, this thing right here. I'll have to use this right here. It gets put on the base of the camera to mount it onto this guy right here. So getting back to this, another positive thing about this, very small, very compact, really lightweight, probably at least half the size and half the weight of the Zhiyun Crane 2. This right here, what I do like, that you do have the NATO mount right here. With the NATO mount, you can easily attach a handle right to this mount. You've also got USB-C where you can just charge this up, and then you've got the nice screen right here. This is more or less a before you buy, just to give you a little bit of what to look for. So one NATO mount here, there is not another one on this side. Charges with USB-C, does not use the standard base plate found in RS2 and RS3 and RS3 Pro. So if you do have something like the Andy Cine and you do want to put your Arca Swiss mount camera on there, you can't. You have to use the proprietary one for right now. I'm sure there'll be third-party base plates right here that you can attach, but as of right now, you have to use a proprietary one. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. I will be making another one once we actually get to use this and see how it stacks up to this big guy right here. I know it's kind of an unfair comparison, but this will definitely hold the camera weight, where this guy will actually not. This one is the M2, made for smaller cameras and really for phones. This supposedly can handle the weight, 2 kilograms, about 4 pounds. This can definitively handle the weight, but let's see. Let's find out how they do. But other than that, hopefully you enjoyed this video. This was a unboxing and first look at this guy right here, the RS3 Mini.